Hey you guys, and happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, Sunday, July 23rd, and they are good until Saturday, July 29th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with that notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so I know we are all excited about this week at Walgreens with my Walgreens days. So here I have two separate transactions, and on my first transaction, I am using the digital booster, get 25% Walgreens cash on all purchases this week. And I'm also stacking that with the get $30, nope, not $30, get 30% Walgreens cash when you shop grocery and household. So that is what I had on my account for today. So in my first transaction, I grabbed 4 of the Bounty 2 equals 5, 2 of the Done Easy Squeeze, and then 1 Persil laundry detergent. So with the Bounty, they are priced at $5.49 this week at Walgreens. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $5 registry reward. And also when you spend 20 on select P&G, the Bounty is included, you will receive another $5 registry reward. So you're going to purchase 4 Bounty at $5.49, and that's going to bring your total to $21.96. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon for the Bounty on the Walgreens app. So $21.96, that 50-cent digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $21.46. Then you will receive back this $5 registry reward for buying 4. And you will also, so that will bring your total down to $16.46. And then you will also receive back this $5 for spending 20. And that will bring your total down to $11.46 for all 4 products. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased the Persil laundry detergent. And this is priced at Walgreens this week for $5.99. I did use a $2.50 manufacturer coupon that printed from the Catalina machine at Walgreens. Like, it was a while back, maybe 2 or 3 weeks or so ago. So I did use that coupon. So $5.99 minus that $2.50 coupon, that brought my total down to $3.49. And then I submitted to IBOTTA because IBOTTA has a rebate for $1 back. So $3.49 minus that $1 rebate over on IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just $2.49 for the Persil. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Done Easy Squeeze, and these are priced at $3.99. I purchased 2. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $2 registry reward. So 2 at $3.99 is $7.98. We do have a 75-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that 75-cent digital, that brought my total down to $7.23. And then I did receive back my $2 registry reward for purchasing 2. So that brought my total down to $5.23 for both, or it makes each one $2.61. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there are all 4 of the Bounty at $5.49, so $21.96. The Persil liquid laundry detergent at $5.99. Both of the Done Easy Squeeze at $3.99, so $7.98. There is my Persil $2.50 coupon. I also used 3 registry rewards on this transaction. I used 2 $4 registry rewards and 1 $5 registry reward. There's my 75-cent digital for the Done Easy Squeeze, and also my 50-cent digital for the for the Bounty. So my subtotal was $19.18, but of course I have to add back in that $13 in registry reward. So $19.18 plus the $13 in registry reward, that brought my total to $32.18. You can't see it on my receipt, but I did get back a total of $19.60 in Walgreens cash rewards. I will insert a picture, and that is from both of my boosters that I mentioned earlier. So $32.18 minus the $19.60 in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $12.58. Then I got back my $5 for spending 20 on P&G, my $5 for buying 4 of the Bounty, and then my $2 for purchasing 2 of the Done Easy Squeeze. So that brought my total down to just 58 cents. But then I went ahead and I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA. I got back $1 for the Referral, and I only needed just 1 more rebate in order to reach my $5 bonus. So with me purchasing the Referral, I was able to reach that bonus. So I got back a total of $6 from IBOTTA. So my total came out to be 58 cents. I got back $6 from IBOTTA. That made this transaction completely free, plus a $5.42 moneymaker. So my first transaction was absolutely a great transaction, you guys. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. So in my second transaction, I grabbed the Downy Liquid, the Bounce Dryer Sheets, the Swiffer, and I also grabbed 2 more of the Done Easy Squeeze. So with the Downy, Bounce, Swiffer, and the Charmin tissue. I forgot to mention the Charmin. So with the Downy, Bounce, Swiffer, and the Charmin, those items are priced this week at Walgreens for $5.49. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So $5.49 times 4 is $21.96. We have a 50-cent digital coupon for the Charmin, $1 digital coupon for the Downy, $1 digital coupon for the Bounce, $2 and a $2 digital coupon for the Swiffer. So that's a total of $4.50 in coupons. So $21.96 minus the $4.50 in coupons, that brought my total down to $17.46. And I did receive back this $5 registry reward for purchasing 4, bringing my total down to just $12.46 for all 4, or it makes each one $3.11. And of course, same thing with the Done Easy Squeeze. They are priced at $3.99. When you buy 2, you will receive back a $2 registry reward. So 2 at $3.99 is $7.98. We have a 75-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to $7.23. Receiving back that $2 registry reward, bringing your total down to $5.23 or $2.61 each. So that is everything that I got in my second transaction. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. There is the Downy Liquid $5.49, Swiffer $5.49, Bounce Dryer Sheets $5.49, Charmin Tissue $5.49, and both of my Done Easy Squeeze at $7.98. I did use one $5 registry reward in this transaction. There's my $2 digital for the Swiffer, $1 digital for the Downy, $1 digital for the Bounce, 75-cent digital for the Done, and the 50-cent digital for the Charmin. So my subtotal was $19.69. But of course, I have to factor in that $5 registry reward that I used. So that brings my total to $24.69. You can't see it on this receipt either, but I did receive back $16.24 in Walgreens cash. I will insert a picture. And I had the same boosters as my first transaction. So $24.69 minus that $16.24 in Walgreens cash rewards. That brought my total down to $8.45. And then I did receive back my $7 in registry rewards. So that brought my grand total down to $1.45. But remember, in my first transaction, that was a moneymaker of $5.42. So I just applied that to this transaction. So after everything that you see here ended up being completely free, plus a $3.97 moneymaker. So these were 2 great transactions. Today was absolutely great at Walgreens. I had no issues with digital coupons, no issues with registry rewards. Everything went well at Walgreens today. I am most definitely not done today. I have 3 more Walgreens accounts to use, so I am going to go out a little bit later and use those accounts, and I'm pretty much going to stock up on some more of the Bounty for sure, because I really want to take advantage of that $5 P&G registry reward. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all are most excited about this week at Walgreens. If you all enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive back 2,000 points, which is $2. Same thing for IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will also have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.